Let's dive right in. Today we're going to talk about how to get people to your website. I mentioned that there's three main ways to do this. And in this process, just understand this is the order of operations. Again, 1, 2, 3 in this order that would be most effective if you're just getting started that's out there. I think is really valuable. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Number one, here we go. The three top ways to get people to your site is very simple. Number one, using engaging, high quality content. Going to talk about that in a second. Number two, direct engagement. And then lastly, and not least, paid ads. And it should go in this order. Most people start with, oh, I'm just going to go spend some money on some paid ads. I'm going to send it to some people that I think I need to send it to. And then the next thing you know, it doesn't work. And that person wasted some cash. And it's never a good thing when that happens, right? And so the better way to do this is to use content first, direct engagement second, and then, only then, after you've established the message you want to share, drop that into a paid ad, because that's going to save you time, money, and energy.